This is TutAR Lite app for Android. Let's see how to use TutAR app for enabling augmented reality in your classroom. TutAR app is an augmented reality based teaching aid. Once you download the app, open it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the details and click Proceed. From the list of contents in the demo module, you can select and try any one of them. If you want to access all the contents, please subscribe to the premium version by clicking the option. You can fix your phone on a tripod or just place on a table like you always take your classes. Once you are ready to start, click on the subject and topic you want to teach. You can switch the camera between front and back based on your convenience by clicking the Switch Camera button. You can click on the model appeared on the screen and drag it to any place you want to place it. You can increase and decrease the size by clicking the plus and minus button on the screen or pinching inward and outward on the screen. If it's a 3D model, you can rotate the model clockwise and anti-clockwise using the rotation buttons. When you are ready to go, click the I button to hide the buttons so that you can get a clean video output. You can use any online classroom softwares like Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, Microsoft Teams, or any LMS or ERP softwares which support screen sharing with TutAR. If you are taking a recorded class, you can easily record the app with any inbuilt screen recorder or download any free screen recording app. In the premium version, you can add any content of your choice from your gallery. Choose from the wide variety of contents from our library, and TutAR family wishes you best wishes in reinventing the way of teaching.